Hi everyone, so in this video I am going to explain a simple interview question. Just define variable. So what is variable and what is the use of variable? So variable is used to store the information of a program. We already discussed, right, in programming concepts. Every program has information, data. We are storing that information using the concept called variables. A simple example, if you are developing the banking application, account holder details you have to store. If you are developing, suppose, hospital management system, patient details you have to store. If it is a library management system, textbook details, student details, librarian details you have to store. How can we store these details? Just simple one. I want to store age of a student, or I want to store name of a student. How can we store the information? Suppose age is a 23. Suppose name is a Amar. How can we store this information? Using the concept called variable. More briefly, suppose if you want to explain, the data always we store in the memory. Suppose this is the memory consider. These are the memory locations where the data will store. Like for example, cells in our mind where our information will store. In the same way, this is memory. In memory, the data will store. Here, for example, 23. Randomly the data will store. A variable is an identity given to the memory location. This memory location we are just identifying with the age. How can you identify your seat number? Suppose in a theater, how can you identify your seat? Using the seat number only. So then we have to go and sit in the allocated seat. In the same way, this is just a seat number, identity of a memory location. Inside we are storing the information. So what is variable or defined variable means? Variable is an identity of memory location, name given to the memory location. What is the use? Just to store the information. Next, to manipulate the information. For example, I just want to increase the age. We are just writing age is equal to age plus 1. 23, change it to 24. We can manipulate the data also. That is also possible using the concept called variables only. Hope you understood. Please subscribe.